This is Bird. Bird is happy. Tweet! A black cat comes along with a magic wand. It is a witch's cat. Hello. Meow. Magic wand. A frog comes along. The cat wants to cast a spell on it. Da-ba, da-ba. What? Cast a spell. The cat casts the spell and turns the frog into a fly. Oh no! Zap! Ha ha! A bunny comes along. The cat wants to cast a spell on it too. Ta-tee, ta-tee! Who? The cat casts the spell and turns the bunny into a carrot. Oh no! Ha ha! Zap! A rat comes along. The cat wants to cast a spell on it too. Fisa! Fisa! Pizza? Where? The cat casts the spell and turns the rat into cheese. Oh no! Ha ha! Zap! The cat looks at Bird. It wants to cast a spell on him too. Not me. Picky! Picky! The cat casts the spell, but Bird moves away and misses the spell. Zap! Ha ha! No! The cat runs after Bird and casts the spell again. Oh no! Picky! Picky! Bird moves away and the spell hits a tree, then goes back to the cat. Ha ha! Zap! Oh no! The spell turns the cat into a rock, and Bird takes the magic wand. I will take this. Bird goes back to his friends. He will turn them back to animals with the magic wand. Bird casts the spell and turns the fly back to a frog. Da-ba, da-ba, zap. Yay! Bird casts another spell and turns the carrot back to a bunny. Ta-tee, ta-tee, zap. Ha-ha! Bird casts another spell and turns the cheese back to a rat. Fisa, fisa, zap. But where is the pizza? The rock comes along and says it is sorry. It promises never to be bad again. I will be good. Okay. Bird casts a spell and turns the rock back to a cat. Picky, picky, zap. Thank you. Bird gives the cat its magic wand and it casts a spell for candies to fall from the sky. Zap! Paka, paka, zap! It is candy! Yay! Oh yes! It is time for us to go. Goodbye to you, Bird, and all your friends. Tweet! Bye! Goodbye! Hello, sweets! Bye-bye!